Springs. This is in Melbourne. We're gonna check this two-story, 2.5 with a loft on a nature preserve. This is your neighborhood here. Entryway right off Wickham. Two-car garage. So I previewed this before I turned the camera on. And it's a pretty fun house. We're gonna go check it out. Alright, so when you first walk in, what captures your eye is vaulted ceilings. That's the loft up there. Living area, and then we're gonna start right to our left, which is going to be a bedroom slash also used as an office. So what I like about this room, it's pretty cool. It's versatile, right? So as I spin around here, you can see they're using it sort of as a den, right? And then as I spin to the left, you have the closet for this bedroom and the pocket door that takes you right into the living space. So it's pretty neat. It's a bedroom with 2 entries. And then you have this particular living space, which could be used as sort of a dining room area or however you want to use this area here. Office if necessary. But let's scroll back in here so we can start at the front door again now that we've seen the 1 bedroom slash office. All right, so as we step into the living area, this is it here. There's that little office slash dining room space just off the first bedroom we saw. Kind of give you an idea of what's going on here, okay? Step this way, this is your half bath. Very elegant. Leading to your laundry room, cabinetry, and your garage. Okay. Let's step into the second bedroom. This is your primary. Primary is downstairs. Got the vaulted ceilings. This is your closet here for the primary. I'll spin you around here to get another look at what's going on in this room. And then we'll step into the primary bath. So you have granite countertops in here, 2 sinks, no bathtub, nice shower, nice stonework in here, and then entry to the backyard, which is nice. All right, we're gonna do the primary, go into the main living area. Here we are again. Give you sort of a drive-by of the TV. Much more space on this side as well. Used as a dining area if you choose, right? So you can definitely expand out. It's actually designed that way. If you look at the ceiling, how they have that little drop down coming off the ceiling to kind of separate the room. So you can make this room whatever you like. Very versatile. All right, step into the kitchen. You have an eating kitchen. I like what they did with this little bench area here. Really take advantage of space. There's probably storage underneath there as well, I'd imagine. Nice backsplash, nice window over the sink. You got gas in here, fantastic. Love the cooking, this cutting board area, which is pretty cool how they did that. They built that in. So sort of a galley kitchen, granite countertops. And then just as a reminder, you step right back into sort of this extra space here and then the living area, okay? Another look at the kitchen. All right, before we go up back, we're gonna go upstairs. We're gonna check out the 2 other bedrooms and the little loft area they have. So stepping up here, there's your loft area. Let's go into bedroom 1, or excuse me, bedroom 3. Like the little vaulted ceiling again, got the closet, nice little space. Nice space up here. I'll spin you around this way. Okay, continue. Again, you have your little loft. Quartz countertop. You got your bathtub and shower here. And then your final bedroom, fourth bedroom here. And while we're up here, we're gonna take advantage to look out the back. You can see you're on a nature preserve. No one's gonna be built behind you. Pretty sharp. All right, spin around again, and let's head to the backyard. So this nice screened and patio area, large, covered, 2 different entries. Have your brick pavers back here as well for extra space. Huge oak, and of course this is all fenced in. Got some birds in there. Nice foliage. And again, full backyard. Okay. Hope you enjoyed the tour, and we'll talk soon.